You keep doing the same thing. You meet someone great, the honeymoon phase is incredible, and then, without fail, the panic hits. The arguments start. The distance grows. You try to fix it, but you just can't shake the feeling you're doomed to repeat the past. That pattern? It's not bad luck. It's not your partner. It's your invisible blueprint. It's a script written in your childhood that your adult brain is reading word for word. Today, we're exposing the 4 attachment styles that shape your present relationship, and giving you the exact, actionable steps to finally rewrite your story and build lasting, secure love. For years, you've focused on who you choose. But the real problem lies in how you relate. Our brain develops a hardwired system in childhood, a blueprint, that dictates how safe and secure we feel in love. Think of it as your relationship operating system. When you understand this blueprint, the chaos, the anxiety, the distance, it all finally makes sense. You stop fighting your partner's symptoms, and start healing the root cause in yourself. This information is the roadmap to the happy, secure relationship you deserve. If you want that roadmap, and want to finally break free from your past, hit subscribe now. We deliver the tools for a happier, healthier love life every week. It's the fastest way to rewrite your love story. 1. The anxious style, the fear of abandonment. If this is your style, you crave intimacy deeply, but your inner world is defined by fear. The moment your partner seems distant, your emotional alarm system goes off. It screams, danger. You are being left. This panic causes you to constantly seek reassurance. This shows up as text checking, initiating fights to test commitment, or getting easily jealous over minor things. Deep down, you believe you are unlovable unless you constantly prove your value or hold your partner captive with demands. You mistake obsession for love. The tragedy here is that the behaviors meant to keep your partner close, the clinginess, the demands, the drama, are what inevitably push them away. You are unconsciously creating the very abandonment you fear. You push them until they need space, confirming your fear. The 3-hour rule. This is your circuit breaker. If you feel the intense, urgent urge to text, call, or confront your partner out of anxiety, you must wait 3 full hours. During that time, don't scroll or distract yourself. Instead, write down 2 things. 1. The core feeling, panic, terror, rage. 2. The corresponding thought, he doesn't love me, I am not important. Writing it down externalizes the emotion. It allows your adult, rational brain to look at the fear, acknowledge it, and then choose a secure response after the 3 hours are up. This slowly but surely breaks the reactive cycle and moves you toward self-soothing. 2. The avoidant style, the fear of engulfment. This is the opposite problem, but equally painful. You crave independence and freedom. When intimacy gets too deep, when you feel truly seen and needed, your system triggers an even louder alarm, screaming, danger. You're losing yourself. Escape. When you feel overwhelmed, you deploy deactivation strategies. You might pull away physically or emotionally, focus excessively on minor flaws in your partner, what's often called nitpicking deactivation, or suddenly decide the relationship is not right, even when it's perfectly fine. You confuse emotional closeness with entrapment. You believe the only way to be safe is to be alone. You constantly keep one foot out the door, waiting for the feeling of suffocation to justify your exit. The Daily Proximity Challenge. Your goal is to retrain your brain that closeness is safe, not suffocating. Schedule a minimum of 15 minutes of structured, non-task-related connection every single day. This is non-negotiable. It could be cuddling, talking without phones, or simply making eye contact. Crucially, do this before you feel the overwhelming urge to pull away. By proactively engaging in safe closeness, you teach your nervous system that you can be deeply connected without being consumed. This is the path to earned security. 3. The disorganized style, the push-pull chaos. This is perhaps the toughest style, often born from early, chaotic, or unpredictable environments. You are an intense mix of anxious and avoidant. You desperately want connection, but when you get it, you panic and push it away, only to pull it back frantically a moment later. This results in extreme mood swings and relationship instability. You bounce between demanding intimacy, sometimes in dramatic fashion, and then finding reasons to sabotage the relationship with sudden withdrawal or high-conflict arguments. You've learned that love is unpredictable and painful, so you replicate that drama as an adult, believing the conflict is the only way to feel alive, or to feel truly safe. The chaos feels familiar, even if it hurts. The trigger journal. Because your responses are so volatile, you need a stable anchor. When you feel the intense, chaotic urge to push or pull, you must stop all action. Take out your journal and write down 3 things. 1. The immediate, raw feeling, rage, shame, intense fear. 2. What exact incident or word triggered it. 3. What you need right now, space, physical touch, verbal reassurance. Only after writing, clearly communicate that need, using calm, non-accusatory language. For example, I am feeling overwhelmed right now, and I need 30 minutes of quiet alone time to process. This replaces a destructive reactive explosion with clear, secure communication. 4. The secure style, the anchor and compass. This is the goal. The secure style is built on consistent trust and a strong sense of self-worth. You are comfortable with intimacy and independence. You don't need your partner to complete you, you need them to walk beside you, as a valued, separate person. Secure partners are reliable, transparent, and practice something crucial, differentiation. They don't take their partner's issues personally. If their partner is anxious, they don't panic. If their partner is avoidant, they don't chase. They provide a safe harbor for their partner's emotional storms, acting as the anchor, rather than joining the panic or the pulling away. They know their own value is not dependent on the relationship's perfect state. The daily 10-minute de-escalation. This tool is for you to become the secure partner. When your partner, especially if they are anxious or avoidant, is triggered, set a timer for 10 minutes. Your only job is to listen, validate, and stay calm. Listen without interrupting. Validate their feeling. I understand you are feeling very scared right now, not necessarily their logic. Do not offer solutions. Do not defend yourself. Simply be their anchor for 10 minutes. This consistently teaches their nervous system that you are different. You are safe, and the fear does not need to spiral. This is how you earn security. Your past does not have to be your relationship prison. You have spent your life reacting to a blueprint written in childhood, but today, you have the power to edit it. Understanding the 4 attachment styles isn't just about labeling your problems, it's about making a secure choice every single day. Start practicing the self-soothing and safety techniques we discussed. Now that you know why you struggle, the next step is learning how to apply these secure strategies to the relationships you've already built, especially when dealing with the most challenging dynamics. Click the video on the screen now for 5 secret factors for finding the perfect match formula. Stop choosing wrong. This is the essential next step to turning your knowledge into lasting, secure change. Your roadmap starts now.